Welcome to another adventure of LVTRV24 Alaska Tour number 9. As we're doing our fantasy tour here, 52 days of Deluxe Alaska continues. We're at the Sintich Trailer RV Park getting ready to leave this day. Bathroom's about an 8. Overall is a 7. You are parked right along the highway there, so you got a lot of highway noise. We're heading to Dawson Creek to see where we start this route. It's a beautiful day today as we're going through the little town of Prince George. As we head over the bridge, the Fraser River down below. We have about a 255-mile road trip today. Most of the road is two-way traffic. Most of it's open up pretty on the sides where you can see if any animals come at you. But overall, this section of road is very nice from Prince George to Dawson Creek. And one advantage, there's not a lot of traffic out here sometimes. Once you pass the so-called big towns, you'll see cars once in a while. But the scenery, which you can see, is breathtaking. And we're slowing down here because we're going to check out this waterfall up here. We were told by our group, you got to park on the right hand side off the road a bit. And there's a couple of our group members ahead of us. The waterfall is to the left. Bijoux waterfall. I know I'm saying that wrong. There's a lake across the way. There you go. And there is the fall. It was beautiful, and there's a bird there that they tried to get, but it couldn't. So here we go, fly to see more of the falls. Get ready to fly in aerial view. Seatbelts on, please. So looking around for it, and look how windy it was. It was pretty windy. There she is, the falls. Come from the crystal clear water of British Columbia. But yeah, it was very nice. We're back on the road. We're getting ready to head into the town of Chetwynd. It's a wood carving capital of the world. And we get into town business center here. There's one wood carving there. As we cruise this plaza, there's a couple there on the right hand side. The building's made of wood. And look at the chair, the bench is there, and a fisherman. All made of wood carving. We're told it's from wood that fell, fallen, firewood from fires. It says from a lot of it's from cottonwood trees. So here's all the welcome to Chetwynd. And there's the man fishing. There's the guy lumberjacking. There's a helicopter Huey. Bell 412. Chuck, 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 chuck. Some dragons. A lot on display all throughout the city. bald, or an eagle with its baby chicks. So now we're heading down the road. Right there to the right is our RV place, Northern Lights. We're heading into the town of Dawson Creek to get some petrol. That will head into town. But also to the left is the famous Alaska Highway 0 marker. Notice there's a bunch of RVs over there to the left. Most people want to get their picture with the RV next to the sign. But right now our priority was to get some petrol, because our next ride is pretty long without many fuel stops. But this is the town of Dawson Creek. They have your typical Walmarts, Canadian Tires, Safeway, Shell, Chevron, Co-op. When I made this turn, looked in here, I'm going like, hope I'm low enough and that thing is tall enough. But I saw an RV in there before we got there. The fuel stop at Dawson Creek, we did hopefully converted this correctly. $148, 59 gallons. It was $2.47 a gallon. We only got 4.3 miles with a gallon on this route. A lot of headwind, a lot of hills, and this guy is cleaning the window. It's me, yay! It was one of them short ones, but it worked. So we're gonna try our luck and go and see if we get our picture taken with the sign and the RV. Remember, we still got the car in tow. And these were grain elevators that are now art galleries, and the visitor center is over there to the far left. So there was still a bunch of RVs parked over here, and we asked somebody, can we go ahead and get in line? And they said, oh no, we're just sitting here. So we kind of got in line. You notice how the wind's really blowing. So this is the world famous Alaska Highway. Dawson Creek, mile marker is 0. It starts the route to Delta Junction, some 1,200 miles away. So we got out, took a pictures. It was very cold wind. That's just another picture of the 0 marker. Here we are. There's Morgan, our RV, with the sign. Hey, we're going to start off. Well, I had to get Manny out there too one day and take a picture of the Honda. And he had to do the fire department thing too, right? Historic mile number 0. There's some reading up on it. If you want to stop the video, you go read it. How it started. And this is the visitor center. Shows a bunch of animals, taxidermied. A grizzly, there's a little brown bear with some salmon, some mountain goats, bunch of reptiles, the bird of praise, and weasels, all kinds of birds I've never seen before, and a golden eagle. And hey, remember some of these things in your kitchen way back when? I do. Mom had a bunch of that stuff. Remember insulators for power? We still have some of them in our backyard. And old radios. This is a Johnson or Jones sewing machine. Typewriters. I think I know someone that likes lots of typewriters. Oh, typewriters. Please do not touch. Just look. Look, a microphone. Testing, 1, 2, testing, 1, 2. Anyway, so there's our bunch of typewriters and things. Some Jones sewing machine. And here's another small version of the sign inside the visitor center. Adventures, Dawson Creek. Hey, look, a payphone. Can you believe that? And very windy and cold day. Here's our group. This is in the parking lot. Kind of cool, big rig mode thing. Toward Endless. They're from Germany. They're touring the United States. They came across Canada, and they're going to do the Pan American Highway from Prudhoe Bay all the way down to South America. And if you want to follow them, follow them. It's the Toward Endless and just a couple from Germany with a moped and 2 bikes and that big thing. And here we are. We're taking pictures of the group at the sign. These are all stickers from a lot of travelers, YouTubers, and other people. This is us on a cold morning. Going to take a picture by the sign as a group and individuals. That's us, our group. All 50 of us. We starting off. And that was the surveyor guy in the middle, about the roundabout. Canadian tires. If you're ever in Canada, these Canadian tires are like a big tractor supply. And they do have tires and automobile parts, but they're huge. They have tools. They have all kinds of stuff. Nuts, bolts, vacuum machines, Tupperware, you name it, they have it. It's a big store. And if you're ever in Canada, check them out. Canadian Tires. They do have tires and automobile parts. There we are. Again, check out that Canadian Tires place. This is us at the famous sign. It's our site at the Northern Lights RV Park in Dawson Creek. Come check it out. It's a good place. I'll give them almost a 10. Then our leaders made a beautiful dinner for us that night. Sausage, great baked beans, oh my gosh, and great desserts. Again, thank you for watching this video. There'll be more to come. Comment, subscribe, and like. Love and hugs from Sal and Trina.